Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to contact customer service on Deliveroo. Now, let's go ahead and go into Deliveroo right here. So this can be via the app itself on your smartphone or device, or we can go ahead and go to deliveroo.co.uk using our PC or laptop. But there will be a section where we can go ahead and click on account right here. And then we can go ahead and go into FAQs right here. Now, if we scroll all the way down, there will be a section where we can go ahead and look for something like this. So usually we would contact customer service if there is something wrong with, say, our order. And then all we need to do is to just go ahead and visit deliveroo.co.uk/contact, and then we can go ahead and click on contact us to complete a form for us to go ahead and be in touch with the team. Or depending on the order that you have, then in the app itself there will be some form of help function that you can go ahead and use to go ahead and speak to the customer service team and report any issues. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.